The North American river otter is one of the most enchanting creatures in our continent's freshwater realms, with its sleek fur, agile swimmer's body, and irrepressible curiosity, making it a joy to behold and a fascinating subject for scientific study. As a keystone species, the river otter plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of aquatic ecosystems, from controlling fish populations to indicating the overall health of our rivers and streams. Belonging to the family Mustelidae, which includes weasels, minks, and badgers, the river otter is a member of the genus Lontra, with its closest relative being the neotropical otter found in Central and South America. The North American river otter's scientific name, Lontra canadensis, reflects its widespread distribution across Canada and the United States. One of the most fascinating aspects of the river otter's biology is its remarkable adaptation to life in the water. Its sleek, dense fur, which can have up to 1 million hairs per square inch, provides exceptional insulation, while its streamlined body and powerful tail enable it to swim with agility and speed. The otter's webbed feet are equally impressive, with retractable claws that allow it to grasp and maneuver its prey in the water. My encounters with river otters in the field have shown me just how adept they are at using these adaptations to catch fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic delicacies. The evolutionary history of the North American river otter is a long and complex one, with fossil records indicating that otters have been present in North America for at least 2 million years. The modern river otter is thought to have evolved from a common ancestor with other mustelids during the Pleistocene era, with its distinct characteristics developing over time as it adapted to its aquatic environment. Key researchers, such as biologist Thomas Gavin, have made significant contributions to our understanding of the river otter's evolutionary history through their studies of otter morphology, behavior, and genetics. In terms of ecological relationships, the North American river otter plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As both a predator and a prey species, it is intricately linked with other animals in its environment, from the fish and crustaceans it feeds on to the coyotes, bobcats, and owls that prey upon it. The otter's habitat niche is equally important, as it helps to maintain the structure and diversity of aquatic vegetation, which in turn supports a wide range of other species. My expeditions in the field have shown me the remarkable symbiosis between river otters and beavers, for example, with the otters often using the beavers' lodges and canals as shelter and transportation routes. Habitat loss and degradation, pollution, and hunting have all taken a toll on river otter populations, which were once widespread across much of North America. Although conservation efforts have helped to recover some populations, the species remains vulnerable to environmental changes and human activities. The ongoing debate about the impact of climate change on river otter habitats and prey populations is a pressing concern, with researchers like Dr. Aaron Fleming studying the effects of warming waters and changing precipitation patterns on otter behavior and ecology. In my encounters with river otters in the field, I've been struck by the variety of vocalizations, body language, and even scent markings they use to convey information and coordinate their actions. One of the most intriguing examples of river otter communication is their use of scent markings. By depositing pheromones on rocks, trees, and other objects, individual otters can convey information about their identity, sex, and reproductive status to other members of their species. This complex system of chemical signals allows otters to establish dominance hierarchies, attract mates, and even warn potential competitors to stay away. As I've observed during my expeditions, these scent markings can be incredibly powerful, with some otters able to detect the presence of others from great distances. The study of river otter communication has been greatly advanced by researchers like Dr. Jennifer McCarthy, who has dedicated her career to understanding the intricacies of otter social behavior. By examining the ways in which river otters communicate, we can gain valuable insights into their ecological relationships and the ways in which they interact with their environment. In terms of predator-prey dynamics, the North American river otter plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it preys on a wide range of aquatic species, from fish and crustaceans to frogs and other small animals. However, it is also an important prey species for other predators, such as coyotes, bobcats, and owls. The intricate web of relationships between these species is a testament to the complexity and resilience of river otter ecosystems. The destruction of wetlands, rivers, and other aquatic habitats has reduced the availability of food, shelter, and breeding grounds for otters, making it difficult for populations to thrive. Additionally, pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and other human activities has contaminated many of the waterways that otters depend on, posing a significant threat to their health and well-being. This adaptability is largely due to their unique physiological characteristics, such as their thick insulating fur and powerful tails that enable them to swim efficiently and maneuver through dense vegetation. One of the most fascinating aspects of river otter biology is their ability to dive and forage for food in aquatic environments. With eyes that can be closed during diving and a highly sensitive whisker system that helps detect prey in murky waters, river otters are well equipped to hunt for fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic animals. My expeditions in the field have allowed me to observe his behavior firsthand, watching as otters dive and resurface with impressive agility, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. The study of river otter diet and foraging habits has been greatly advanced by researchers like Dr. Thomas Benison, who has conducted extensive studies on the dietary composition of river otters in different regions. By analyzing the stomach contents and scat of otters, Dr. Benison's team has gained valuable insights into the importance of specific prey species, such as fish and crayfish, in supporting river otter populations. These findings have significant implications for conservation efforts, highlighting the need to protect and restore aquatic habitats that support these critical food sources. In terms of ecological relationships, river otters play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As both predators and prey, they are intimately connected with other species, from the fish and crustaceans they feed on to the coyotes, bobcats, and owls that prey on them. The complex web of interactions between these species is a testament to the dynamic and resilient nature of river otter ecosystems. For example, in some regions, river otters have been observed preying on invasive species, such as zebra mussels, which can help to mitigate the negative impacts of these non-native species on native ecosystems. The conservation status of the North American River Otter is closely tied to the health and integrity of its habitats. However, there are also many examples of successful conservation efforts, such as the restoration of wetlands and rivers, which have helped to recover otter populations in certain regions. One of the most significant research findings in recent years is the discovery of the importance of otter slides in river otter ecosystems. These slides, which are essentially narrow, steep channels that otters use to move between different areas of their habitat, play a critical role in facilitating otter movement and communication. By studying these slides, researchers have gained valuable insights into the social behavior and spatial ecology of river otters, highlighting the complex and dynamic nature of their interactions with their environment. As we venture deeper into the world of the North American River Otter, it's fascinating to explore their unique communication methods. These otters use a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, chirps, and grunts, to convey information and coordinate their behavior. For instance, a mother otter will often use a specific whistle to summon her pups, while a warning call can alert other otters to potential predators. One intriguing aspect of river otter communication is their use of scent marking. They have scent glands located near their anus, which they use to deposit a pungent secretion on rocks, logs, and other prominent features in their territory. This scent marking serves as a form of chemical communication, allowing other otters to detect the presence and identity of individual otters. Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned otter researcher, has conducted extensive studies on river otter communication and social behavior. Her team has observed that otters will often engage in playful activities, such as sliding down rocks or chasing each other through the water, which serves to strengthen social bonds and establish dominance hierarchies. As apex predators, they prey on aquatic animals like fish, crayfish, and frogs, helping to regulate population sizes and maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Additionally, otters contribute to nutrient cycling by transporting nutrients from the water to land through their feces, which can act as a fertilizer for plants. The conservation status of North American river otters is closely tied to the health of their habitats. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and overfishing have led to habitat degradation and fragmentation, making it challenging for otter populations to thrive. However, conservation efforts like wetland restoration and protected areas have shown promise in supporting otter recovery. Researchers like Dr. John Taylor are working to understand the impacts of climate change on river otter habitats and behavior. His team has found that changes in water temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the distribution and abundance of prey species, which in turn affects otter populations. This ongoing research highlights the need for continued monitoring and adaptation of conservation strategies to address the evolving needs of river otter populations. In the field, observations of river otters have revealed intriguing insights into their adaptability and resilience. For example, in areas where their primary food sources are scarce, otters have been known to switch to alternative prey, such as birds or small mammals. This flexibility in their diet allows them to thrive in a variety of environments, from freshwater rivers to coastal marine ecosystems. The study of river otter behavior has also led to a greater understanding of their complex social structures. In some populations, otters have been observed forming long-term monogamous pairs, while in others, they exhibit more promiscuous mating behaviors. These variations in social organization highlight the diversity and complexity of river otter societies, and continued research is needed to fully understand the nuances of their behavior. In conclusion, the North American river otter stands as a testament to the intricate web of life that binds our planet together. Through its remarkable adaptability, complex social structures, and vital role in shaping its ecosystems, this incredible creature teaches us about the delicate balance and interconnectedness of the natural world. The North American river otter's journey invites us to embrace a deeper sense of wonder, curiosity, and responsibility towards the world around us. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.